Hey guys, Midwest Picker here. I got my package today, the knife lot that I won at auction. If you saw my previous video, I think I mentioned it, I'm not sure. Got Little Midwest here. We're going to unbox this box of knives that I won. It's kind of off camera, but I have like a little table set up. So if you're not familiar, there's a YouTube channel called What the Hales, and it's run by Jeremy Hales and George. And every Sunday, they do a live auction on YouTube. So they buy auctions for storage lockers, and over the months or years they accumulate stuff like baseball hats, knives, pens, shoes. I mean, you name it, they just buy it, collect it, kind of store it, and then I think it's every Sunday they have an auction and they auction this stuff off. So they recently had a knife auction, and I'm going to put a picture right here. So the picture is just going to block the video for right now. So on the left, you see Jeremy. He's the guy with the green hair. And then at the bottom right, you see where it says Midwest Picker. I think it's like $203. And I ended up winning this auction for $206. Okay, so now we're back. You can go back and look at that picture if you want. So that's Jeremy Hale's YouTube channel. And if you didn't know it, you can sell stuff to people outside of any platform. You don't have to sell to people on eBay or Mercari or whatever. If you have a contact with somebody, like a private pick or email, or like what Jeremy does with his live auctions, you can go to PayPal, and if you have their PayPal email, you can send anybody an invoice. And then in the invoice, you put what the item is. It's a product or service. They pay you, and then you ship the item to them. So it gives them a little bit of buyer protection through PayPal. So in case Jeremy sent me a box of dirt, I could go to PayPal and say, hey, this guy ripped me off, I want my money back. So there is buyer protection when you go through PayPal. So I don't know Jeremy personally, I just know him from YouTube. So it is kind of a gamble, but I've seen enough of his videos, and I kind of just have a gut instinct, a hunch that he's a really nice guy and that he's not going to rip me off. He has a huge following on YouTube, 177,000 subscribers and counting. So if you haven't checked it out, I'm going to link it down below. Yeah, I'm name dropping What the Hales. It's going to be in the title, the description. I'm going to link it. Maybe I'll get some more views out of that. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this. I think it's around 45 plus pocket knives. So you can watch that video too if you want to see the replay. And then we're going to just put them up here, pause the video, take a quick inventory, and then I'm going to tell you what I got. I'm guessing from the video, it's a lot of everyday carry, average pocket knives, and then there's some good ones. So we're going to cut into this right now. All right, so Little Midwest, this is your box cutter. Do you know how these work? You just move that switch like that, and it has the blade come out. That's a little razor blade, so you gotta be careful. So I'm gonna give that to you. So I have my everyday carry, my little picker. So we're gonna cut into this. This thing is like wrapped in plastic, like it's gonna go to the North Pole. They did a fantastic job of wrapping this up. But let's see here. I'm gonna cut. Yeah, you can't really see it. I'm gonna cut here. Just cut, oh yeah, there we go. There's the box. Watertight packaging. This is really awesome. They do a great job of packaging this up. If you ever considered purchasing from Jeremy Hales from his live auctions, you know, some people are nervous about doing that. Don't be nervous. You know, they're not going to rip you off or anything. And this is proof that they keep their promises. They do what they say. He sent me an invoice for $206, and I paid it. And that includes the shipping, so there's no added charge or anything like that. So, now, put away the mini picker. We don't want to get that confused with this, so I'm going to put it in my pocket. Alright, so Little Midwest, you're going to make a cut right there. And a cut right there. Wait till I move my finger. And then you're going to cut all the way across. You go all the way across there. You got, there you go. Alright, hold on to that for a second. We might need it again. That's satisfying. Feel the power. Alright, void fill. I always keep this and recycle it. Lots of words, though. Oh man, we got all kinds of stuff in here. Alright, so here's the first nice package. Man, I don't want to cut the bag. Give it a little snip right there. Oh. Buck brand knife. Saber. This is a samurai. It's really super heavy. Sears Craftsman. I didn't even know they had those. This is an old case, XX. It's another Japanese knife. This is a stag made in Ireland. That's a Gerber. Just a little everyday carry with a pocket clip on there. These are all going on my eBay store. The temptation is to keep some of these nice ones, but I can't. I'm going to sell all of these. So that's a really nice Gerber. You could even make it a keychain because it's got a hole through the handle there. But that's a high quality one there. I don't know how old it is, but these do need to be cleaned up a little bit. A little WD-40 will clean them up real nice. Oh, we got a big one here. Another caber, I guess, Japanese knife. This one's got a wolf on the handle. And this one, basic stainless steel knife. So those are the bagged knives. And then we've got, those are all used, and I believe these are new. I don't think we need that yet. You're all excited to use that, aren't you? Yeah, these are new in the box. These are everyday carries. I'm not going to open them up, but it's got the hard plastic handle. Very small, probably less than 3-inch blade. I'm going to count these out. Now, you ready? Hold your hands out there. 1, 2, 7. Alright, and you can put those back in there. There you go, just like that. So while she's reboxing that, I'm going to open this one. Oh, these are bigger. These are brand new too. Tiger knife, everyday carry. These are a little bit bigger. Let's take this one out. Nice everyday hard plastic, stainless steel. These are brand new in the package. And then we'll see. These are great to keep in your car too, in your glove box, in your tackle box, in your garage, anywhere you go. Or if you go picking, go to flea markets, go to auctions. These are great for cutting boxes open, just everyday use. Nice little tool. Alright, we're going to count. Oh my gosh, this thing is full. Maybe we won't. Okay, hold your hands out. There's 2, 10, 11 of these. This one's going to be a little hard to put back. Alright, so we go like that. I'll let you put those back. 11 of those. This one's got even more. This way. Oh man. Brand new in the box. And like I said, these are great everyday knives. Utility, work, cutting open boxes, filleting fish. It's got the pocket clip here, hard plastic. Pretty nice size. Got a serrated blade on there. Very lightweight. You put this in your pocket, you won't even know it's there. So it's got a little thumb latch there. Man, we got even more of these. Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 9, 10, 11. 11 of these. So for these used ones, I'm going to clean those up really nice. Little WD-40. All going on my eBay store. And then the brand new ones, I'm just going to blow those out. Probably $8 or $9 a piece plus shipping on top. They'll easily go first class. They're very lightweight. But they're good everyday knives and they're very affordable. So that's my unboxing video. Thanks again to Jeremy Hales. Check out his live auctions. They're really cool. I think they're every Sunday night. And it's all different stuff. He even had one of pens, just ballpoint pens, like hundreds and hundreds of them. So the variety of items is really cool. And you might find something. They don't go through it. They don't have time. They don't test the pens to make sure they all work. So you never know what you're going to get. So it's a gamble. I think the minimum bid is $25. But you get a ton of stuff, and they include the shipping. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed and you just landed here for the first time, check out my earlier videos, hit that subscribe button, and ask me questions. Put anything down in the comment. Did you see something that you would like to buy? You could always contact me by email. My email is down below. We could do a little side deal through PayPal if you want, or if you want to buy quantity. If you saw these new ones and you want to buy a quantity of them, just let me know and we could work out a deal. So any questions, put them down below. And that's it for now. The next video will be a what sold video. I have sold a couple things and I'm listing a bunch of stuff, so maybe I'll do a sourcing video. I don't know. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.